Here I have HONOR X7A, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding your finger on it, nothing happens. By tapping on it once, it asks you to grant screen recording the microphone permission. Okay. So we go to permissions, microphone, allow while using the app. Okay, so now let's tap on this button once again. And after that, recording starts immediately. Here you can also switch microphone, like only enable or disable it. So you record anything you want to be recorded. When you're done, tap on this red button here, and after that, recording will be saved to the gallery. Oh, so many apps here. Okay, gallery. To the videos album, and here is our recording. Here you can also switch microphone, like only enable or disable it. So you record anything you want to be recorded. And after, and from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your recording, or you can just perform any other action from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.